Hello everyone. Someone asked me these particular questions. Can we use the new method to solve any factorization? Yes, you can actually use it to solve any factorization questions. So look at the question we're having on the board. This is also under factorization questions, unlike the one that we have been solving. The one that we have been solving so far is without coefficients. So this one is with coefficients. So how can you solve that particular question using the new method, which is also known as quotient rule? So let's do that together. The first thing to do, divide all of them by the coefficients, by 10, by 10, by 10. So when you divide, you are going to have s squared minus 13 over 10 plus 3 over 10 all is equals to 0. This is what you are going to have. Also, now we've gotten that, now then we can use our rules now. Our rule is divide by 2. So we can use multiply by 1 over 2 here instead of divided by 2. So if it's minus, it's turned to plus. So we're using 13 over 20. Because 13 over 10 times 1 over 2. 13 times 1 is 13 over 20. So that is what we are using. So minus, implement another alphabet like P. Then the other one should be 13 over 20 plus P. All is equals to, what do you have here? Is plus 3 over 10. So that is the new method. So what are you going to do now is the difference of 2 square, 13 over 20 all square minus P square is equals to 3 over 10. So what can you see there again? 13 square is 169. 20 square is 400. This one is coming inside, minus 3 over 10 is equals to P square. So collect the find the LCM. What is the LCM between 400 and 10? That is 400. 400 and 400, 1 times 169, 169 minus 10 in 400, 40. 40 times 3, that is 120. So is equals to P square. So this minus this now, when you minus this, you see it on the bottom now. 10 here is 40, 120. So this minus this, that is 49 over 400 is equals to P square. So find the square root of both sides. So P is equals to, this cancel this. Square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 400, that is 20. Your P is 7 over 20. So how can we get the value of S now? So don't forget. So let me just use this. S is equals to, from here now, 13 over 20 minus P. That will be 13 over 20 minus, what is your P? 7 over 20. And the LCM is 20 already. 20. That will be 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is what? That is going to give 6. 6 over 20. 2 in 6, that will be 3. The 2 here, that will be 10. 3 over 10 is the first answer. So let's go to the other one. Where's the other one? To get 13, S is equals to 13 over 20 plus P. What is your P now? 7 over 20. 13 over 20 plus 7 over 20. So S is equals, what do you have? Add them, 20. 13 plus 7, that will be 20. 20 over 20, that is 1. So your final answer is 1 and 3 over 20. So S is equals to 1 or 3 over 20. And don't forget to always follow for more. So we'll be doing a lot of this and posted on our videos. So if you have any questions, just drop it on the comment section. Thanks.